Imagine making $2000 a month, working from home, while still studying at BYU PathwayConnect. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top websites hiring students just like you across Africa, Asia, and America for high-paying remote jobs. You don't need a degree, and in most cases, you don't even need prior experience. So if you're ready to secure your first remote job, grab a pen and take notes because this video could change everything for you. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on legit work-from-home opportunities. And if you find this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. First, let's talk about why remote jobs are perfect for BYU PathwayConnect students. Many of you are balancing classes, family, and church responsibilities. Remote jobs offer flexibility. You can work at your own pace, during your own hours. And with companies going global, there are opportunities for everyone, whether you're in Nigeria, the Philippines, India, or the United States. Now, you might be wondering, can I really make $2000 a month? Absolutely. I've seen students earn $15 to $30 an hour doing simple online tasks. If you work 20 to 30 hours a week, that's $1,500 to $2,000 per month. And if you're strategic, you can earn even more by stacking multiple gigs. The key is knowing where to look, and that's what I'm about to show. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the top websites hiring BYU Pathway students right now for remote jobs in Africa, Asia, and America. This is one of the biggest freelance platforms in the world. You can find jobs in writing, virtual assistants, graphic design, and even data entry. The best part? You set your own rates. Start small, build reviews, and increase your rates over time. Some freelancers make $50 an hour here. This company hires online data analysts, search engine evaluators, and content raters. These roles are flexible, part-time, and pay really well. Sometimes up to $14 to $20 an hour. Perfect for students because you can work whenever you have free time. Similar to TELUS, Appen offers micro-tasks, data annotation, and language jobs. They often hire in Africa, Asia, and the US, which makes it great for pathway students in multiple regions. If you have a skill, anything from social media management to simple voiceovers, you can sell it on Fiverr. People literally make thousands of dollars here. Don't think you need to be an expert. Start with simple gigs and grow from there. These sites specialize in listing remote jobs, including customer service, transcription, and virtual assistant roles. Many of these pay $20 to $40 an hour. Now listen carefully. This is the most important part. Getting the job isn't just about applying. You need to optimize your profile. For example, heavy checkmark on Upwork. Make your title clear, like virtual assistant for small businesses instead of just virtual assistant. Heavy checkmark, add a professional photo and write a strong description that shows how you can help clients solve problems. Heavy checkmark always include a customized proposal when applying. Never copy and paste. And if you need help creating the perfect profile, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a full video on it. Remember, as a PathwayConnect student, your education is your top priority. Set boundaries. Work during non-class hours. Use productivity tools like Google Calendar and avoid burnout. Start with part-time hours and increase as you get comfortable. Don't limit yourself to just one site. Combine opportunities. For example, work on Upwork for client projects and use TELUS for flexible microtasks. This way, you're never relying on one income source. That's how you hit $2000 a month faster. All right, those are the best websites hiring BYU Pathway students for remote jobs right now. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply and get hired quickly, comment, guide me, and I'll create that video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Pathway friends who need a remote job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows.